Hello, good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Um, so it was after 2 months and 10 days. Balik ulit tayo sa trabaho. Hindi na Transportify, kundi balik cruise ship na uli. So right after sa pandemic, nung nag-Transportify tayo, ito na bali na pangalawang kontrata ko na to. Nakauwi ako nung May 9 and then now babalik na ako. Supposedly nung June 25 pa kayo nagkaroon ng problema sa UK visa, so na-postpone to July 18. So guys, sa mga interesado na magkaroon ng job sa cruise ship, mag-comment lang kayo below dito sa vlog na to. I will definitely answer you back. At the same time, panoorin nyo rin yung video kung ano yung mga proseso papunta sa airport, pag-comply sa mga immigration requirements, POEA, para hindi kayo magka-problema kung darating ang panahon na you will leave Philippines to join the cruise ship. Okay, pupunta na tayo. Just to make sure, for sure you're gonna have an international flight, diba? So it is required na you have 3 hours minimum nasa airport na kayo. And then first thing you have to do is to proceed sa POA, which I'll show you later on. And then after that you go to check in your luggage, take your boarding passes, what else, and then after that pasok na kayo sa immigration, following the immigration procedure. Mayroong mga forms doon na fill upan, and then yun na, then you'll wait sa boarding gates nyo na allocated na boarding gate, and then you'll wait for the boarding time. So yun lang, ganun lang po kadali. Sa akin madali na lang po kasi balik-balik na ako, but this is something that it can help you. So watch this until the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Paki-like na rin and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko during my contract. And again, if you have any questions regarding on how to get a job in cruise ship, if you have any questions about what position to apply, don't hesitate. Please comment down below this vlog and I will definitely get back with you. Okay, thank you very much and let's go! Corresponding to the flight details, yung flight number mo, anong airline, yung gate number, at saka yung departure time, and of course the departure date. And then you proceed to POAA, overseas contract for overseas employment certificate approval, and then you go to check in your luggage para bigyan kayo ng boarding passes. And then you go through the immigration, passport control. So titingnan mo yung passport mo, yung letter of guarantee, letter of employment, at saka yung visa mo, kung saan ka magpapasok, if it's US or if it's UK. Alright, and they will check your luggage, tapos diretso ka na sa gate for boarding procedure. So I really strongly suggest na 3 hours nasa airport na kayo, so you can do all these things without rushing. So may mga pagkain, may mga tindahan din sa loob. You don't have to worry, basta magdala lang kayo ng extra peso para i-gastos for coffee, magugutom mo, you can have breakfast, may tinapay, and then after that you can wait for breakfast. Good morning. Actually, yung Terminal 3 is maganda na. It's well improved. Hindi kagaya ng dati. Alright, so it's boarding time. Pasok na tayo for our first flight. I have 3 flights by the way. One is from Manila to Istanbul. And then from Istanbul to Oslo, Norway. And then from Norway, I'm going to do a domestic flight to Allison, Norway. And from there, I will stay overnight sa hotel. Then the following day, I'll join the cruise ship. Okay, it's boarding time now. Dun sa Allison as one of the ports. Boarding time procedure is merong numbers na tinatawag. So I'm entering now the airplane. It's a Turkish airline. Para hindi mo siya malinis. By section yung yung ayan, malaki. Pasahero. Laki ng screen monitors if you notice. And then ang laki ng screens for hand care. Yan, puno yan actually and here it's outside. On this video, I'm sorry, it's not out. Okay, here we are. The airplane. First thing you do is to check kung saan gate yung next flight mo. And then if it's international or domestic, so obviously it's international kasi Oslo ang next stop namin. So you have to go to international transfers. Also, by the way, upon check-in dun sa Manila ng luggage, you have to clarify kung saan mo pipick-upin, i-reclaim yung baggage mo. Whether sa final destination or sa one of the destinations para sigurado hindi mo makalimutan yung pag-aay mo. So that's the airport in Turkey. Ang ganda, no? Mas maganda compared sa airport natin. But like I said, well improved na yung airport natin sa Pilipinas. Just look at this. This is how beautiful the international airports are. Ayan. Yun na yung sinasabi kong monitors for checking your boarding gates. Always check that, ha? Para hindi kayo maiwanan, ma-delay sa flight. And then, ito, I have enough time, so mag-video lang muna, tsaka nag-video. If you look at outside, ang ganda. Ang daming plane. Guys, this is an opportunity, no? This is a making money kasi may trabaho kayo at the same time you are traveling for free worldwide. Makikita mo yung mga... So this is the area where it's busy. Ito yung duty-free area.
Isang flight lang ako San Francisco to
duty-free shops, restaurants, bars. Tingnan mo yung ceiling, tingnan nyo yung ceiling design. Beautiful. So as you can see also, no, it's July 2022. Yung dito sa Turkey, hindi na sila nagmamask most of them. Ang mga nagmamask dito, as I observe, yung mga travelers the residents, the employees, the workers here in the airport.
Tayo lang nagmamask ka. Yung mga taga rito, hindi mo nagmamask.
The employees sa mga shops.
Ayan o.
Ito na, boarding once again for my flight to Oslo.
Anong mask dito?
It's also another news plane. Maraming pasahero.
Hindi na also yung mask.
So that's my boarding pass. Yung napapakita mo to para ma-assist kayo for your seat location. And here we are. We arrive at Oslo after 3 hours and 55 minutes of flight. And by the way, yung flight ko from Manila to Istanbul.
So boarding for my second flight to Oslo.
So we were served breakfast
Norway
and lunch. And dito sa flight ko from Istanbul, Oslo, seat 1. Hindi ka naman actually mag-ibuto, but it's better to have biscuit,
Five
cup
fifty.
noodles sa luggage. Just in case.
So just landed Oslo, Norway,
So, ito na, lumabas na kami ng plane.
3 hours.
Here, I have a
45 minutes
layover
flight.
for 4 hours.
Galing
Flight ko is at 10 o'clock na
So
sa
this
gabi.
is my
For
second stop.
domestic flight, just
So I have one more flight. 1 hour lang papuntang Alesund, Norway.
So, guys,
So,
I think
ito.
once kayo nang
Katapos ko
makabiyahe,
lang
always remember to have
mag-impression.
memories of
So I'm heading towards picking up my packages
tayo.
para i-rechecking. Kasi
Ano ba
different
wala?
airline na yung sasakyan ko to Alesund.
Remember the things we have done before.
So far okay naman, nakapagpahinga naman ako. Okay.
So if you can notice, no, yung airports, international airports, they are similar. Magaganda, malalaki, malalawak. Magagandang design. I know that this airport, the Bulacan International Airport na gagawin, will be ganun din ang objective. So this is in Oslo, Norway. So I have more than enough time here to take videos, take photos. And here I am, my flight domestic from Oslo, Norway to Alesund. So here I was able to grab a seat by the window. So I took the opportunity to take a video during takeoff. Ganda. Ang ganda lang pag nandun ka sa taas, especially when the plane is not moving a lot. High journey talaga. And para hindi kayo masitan ng flight attendant, you have to make sure that it's on airplane mode. Mobile. You're good.
guys, hotel namin. We're gonna stay here for overnight. It's called the Quality Hotel in Allison. Ang ganda dito. Napakalinis. With complete amenities. Meron siyang refrigerator, coffee setup, tea setup. They removed the alcohol kasi we're going to work now. Huge TV with smart TV actually. May YouTube na dyan. There's 2 beds. Bathroom with hot tub. Hot and cold shower. Enough towels. Very clean. I'll try to. Okay, and then it's breakfast time. So it's a breakfast buffet. Maraming choices. So hindi ako nag-rice. And actually walang rice. Vegetables lang. There's a smoothie, yogurt and fruits. They have coffee latte. They have cappuccino, Americano. So they have sausages, eggs. What else? Cereals. Yan yung buffet. Yan yung restaurant. And then that's the lobby lounge. The front desk. Then yung kasunod niya, yun na yung restaurant.
So, smoked salmon, bacon, eggs.
I think malaki siya na hotel, no? I would say
Full eggs, American
about
sausage,
200 rooms.
orange.
So ito yung
coffee
pinaka
latte,
entrance
latte.
niya.
Ang daming choices. It's a buffet breakfast.
That's the main road. Ang lamig dito. As in, very cold.
So this is breakfast in Quality Hotel.
So breakfast time here in Quality Hotel. So that's the hotel, Quality Hotel Allison.
Nice buffet restaurant.
This is the view from the outside. Yan. So, ano siya, 3 floors. So like I said, we have enough time. So ito, lumabas muna tayo. Ikot-ikot, lakad-lakad. Then balik to the hotel. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like the video and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga videos ko. Especially tomorrow, later on when I will be joining the cruise ship para makita nyo naman yung barko. And then everything that I am doing during the contract, papakita ko rito sa channel ko. And if you have any questions, guys, please feel free to ask questions. Kung gusto nyo magtrabaho sa cruise ship, I will definitely assist you. Babalikan ko kayo. I will do as much as videos that will be helpful to all of you guys. Thank you.